Today we're going to drain the underground sprinkling system. And why do we do that? Well, we want to do that before winter because if you don't drain your sprinkling system, the water in the piping will freeze and that will burst your piping. You don't want that to happen, so you need to drain the system before winter arrives. You will want to drain it before the first frost of the season. Now we have automatic drains, so it doesn't need to be blown out with compressed air like many systems do. But be sure to check your owner's manual. If you have the self-draining system, that is one with drain valves at the end and low points of the piping, here's how to drain the system for winter. First, we want to make sure that the controls are in the off position. Then you want to shut off water to the system by turning off the valve. And this type of valve is called a Malcock valve. And it's easy to remember which way is off and on. When it's on, the handle is parallel to the pipes in the plumbing system, and when you turn it this way, it's like a gate closing off the water, and the water system is off. Now we're just outside the basement at the vacuum breaker, and our next step is to take a wrench and undo the drain plug. This will let water escape. The next step is to remove these covers, and then we're going to want to open these valves by taking a flat bladed screwdriver and turning these half turn to the left. And that will let air flow into the system and let the water drain at the low points and the end points. And we'll let that drain for several hours, and at that point we will come back and we will replace these caps. We'll still leave these valves in the open position, and then we'll also come and replace the drain plug. Once you've let your underground sprinkling system drain for several hours, then you simply put these covers back on. You don't want sleet or snow or ice to get into the plumbing system. And then you just reinstall this drain plug, and it doesn't have to be tight, so we'll just hand tighten it and give it a couple of turns. And we want to leave these open to allow air to continue to enter the system. And then you're all set for the winter.